Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing well with your lives. Students, here's a question for you all. Name the different things that are present around us. Yes, please write your answer in the comment section. What are the things that are present around you? Yes, there are many things that are present around us like books, chair, car, air, water, table, refrigerator, and so many other things are present around us. Now tell me, do all the things that are present around you have its own weight? Yes or no? Yes, all these things has its own weight. It may be of light weight, it may be too heavy, but all these things have their weight. Here is another question. Do all these things occupy space? Whether these are small things like needle, books, copies, or that may be too heavy or too large object like pen, refrigerator. Do all these things occupy space? Yes or no? Please write your answer in the comment section. Yes, all these things occupy space. Students, different things are present around us. These all things have different shapes, different size, different color, different smell, but they all have their own weight and they all occupy space. And do you know what are these things called as? These are called as matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has weight and that occupy space. We call it matter. Is there anything that do not have weight or that do not occupy the space? No, there isn't anything. Each and everything that is present around us, it has its weight and it occupies space. And we call it matter. According to the definition, matter is anything that occupies space and has mass is called as matter. Now here are two important words in this definition. One is occupy space and second one is mass. What are the two important terms in this definition? Occupy space and mass. And you all know that just like English language, we also have science terminologies. And in terms of science, for the word occupy space, we use the term volume. Now, what is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by a matter or by any object is called as volume. Another important term that we use in the definition of matter is mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter an object have. It means that it tells you the quantity of a matter, that how much matter is present in an object. We call it mass. So we can write the definition of matter like anything that has volume and mass is called matter. To know that what is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by a matter is called volume. And what is mass? Mass is quantity of a matter, like how much matter is present. Getting students? What is matter? Anything that has mass and volume is called matter. Commonly, there are three states of matter. And what are these? These are solid, liquid, and gas. Let's see the characteristics of these states one by one. Let's see the characteristics of solid. Students, solid have fixed volume and fixed shape. Solid can be poured, but it cannot take the shape of the container and it does not flow. Solid can be break into pieces, but it cannot be compressed or squished. Getting students? So what are the properties of solid? It has fixed volume and fixed shape. It does not flow and It cannot be squished or compressed. Here are the properties of liquid. Liquid have fixed volume but do not have fixed shape. Whenever you pour the liquid in any object, it always takes the shape of the container. We call the liquid fluid. Why? Because liquid have the capability to flow. But liquid cannot be squeezed or compressed just like solid. Let's see the properties of gas. Students, gas do not have fixed volume and fixed shape, but it can be squeezed or compressed. For example, the air in the diver's tank is squeezed to put more air in the tank. Getting it, students? Is there any confusion? If yes, you may ask the question through the comment section. So, it was all about matter and its state. I hope there isn't any confusion. See you in the next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.